Hello. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how you can load test your Express application using an NPM module called loadtest. As web developers, we always need to make sure that the code we develop is tested against all possible issues. You can follow along with me through this tutorial. First of all, let's go ahead and create a directory for this simple tutorial. Now that the directory is created, we will initiate a new Node.js project using npm init. We will use -y flag to let npm take default values for project description. I use Visual Studio Code as code editor. This is a personal choice. You can use any other code editor like Atom or Sublime as you like. Before showing you how you can use load test to test your Express application, I need to have an Express application running on my machine. Therefore, I will first create a very simple Express application having just one route configured to send a JSON response back. First of all, we will require Express. Then we will initialize an app by calling Express. We will have only one route configured which will not do anything functional. The route will handle incoming requests to the app and only send a hello world string response back. We now have required and initialized an Express application. And we also have configured a route handler. Now, let's go ahead and make this application listen to a port. So, that's it. Simple and easy. Let's now go back to our terminal and install the Express package. Before we can use the load test CLI to test our application, we need to install it globally on our system. Make sure to use the -g flag while installing it. And if you are on any Linux distro, make sure you run the command as sudo. Clear the terminal and run node. To run the index.js file. The server should start listening to incoming requests, and you should see a console message confirming it. Voila, the server is started. Now, open a new tab in the terminal to run loadtest CLI. Let's first make sure our server endpoint is working as expected by using a curl command. We will make a GET request to the server. And yes, we get our hello world response from the server. Now, let's run the load test command to test our server. We will use the -n flag to specify the number of requests. And then, use -c flag for concurrency. Followed by the absolute URL of the endpoint we want to test. In our case, localhost 8080. Then press enter. Load test will hit the server-defined number of times and output the comprehensive summary for the test. We see completed requests and also concurrency level. It will output errors, mean latency value and number of requests per second. You can see a variety of other test metrics. Let's now increase the number of requests to 2000 with a concurrency value set to 100. We get the same set of metrics but of course with different values this time. All these metrics can be used in a variety of ways to infer the performance of your server. You can test any real-world Express application with this method and see all these performance metrics for that application. I really hope you like this video and the content. If you have suggestions or feedback, do let me know in the comments section below. I will be making more content like this, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so.